Welcome back to Navya Nojasvi channel. So today we are going to make a notice board. So let's start, guys. Friends. So first we need a cardboard and glue, some sheets, white sheets, and ribbons to decorate. And this is you can take out this long ribbon from a bag. We did the hole inside the cardboard with the tool. Now we are going to paste these stitches on this cardboard. Take the sheet on. So we are pasting the paper on the board. So we are pasting the paper on the board. So now we are going to put the ribbon. Stick the ribbon over here, and over there. To hang it, we took this ribbon from a bag and we hang it near my table. So, write in the comment if you like my notice board or not, yes or no. I think like you will make for your table also. Bye, mix. Subscribe my channel to share and do like.